It was a calm spring morning. April 26th, 1986. In the city of Pripyat, people were waking up for work, children getting ready for school. The air smelled like blooming trees, and no one knew that, in just a few hours, that same air would become poison. At 1:23 a.m., during a late-night safety test, reactor number 4 at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant exploded. A blinding flash lit up the sky, followed by a wave of silence, and then panic. What seemed like just a fire was the beginning of the world's worst nuclear disaster. Firefighters rushed in within minutes. Most of them had no idea they were walking into invisible death. Their station, fire station number 3, still stands today, eerily intact. The trucks are there. The tools are there. It's as if the firefighters simply vanished, leaving everything behind, waiting for a call that will never come. The radiation spread fast, across Ukraine, Belarus, and into Europe. The entire city of Pripyat, home to over 50,000 people, was evacuated within 36 hours. They left food on tables, toys on beds, and dreams unfinished. Deep in the forest, hidden behind rusting fences, stands another relic, the Duga radar, a massive Soviet antenna stretching for kilometers. During the Cold War, it sent a mysterious tapping signal across the world, known as the Russian woodpecker. Now it stands silent, like a steel skeleton, watching over a dead zone. Inside reactor number 3, sealed off from the world, explorers discovered something strange. Rooms perfectly clean and organized, papers neatly stacked, desks untouched. It's as if time froze or something didn't let decay begin. Nearly 40 years later, Chernobyl remains frozen in silence. Nature has taken over. Trees growing through concrete, animals wandering freely through empty streets. But the radiation is still there, invisible, waiting. Chernobyl is not just a place, it's a reminder of what happens when human ambition meets human error. And in the heart of Ukraine, the ghosts of 1986 still whisper through the ruins.